Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. Today's video is my evening cleaning routine in my kitchen. I always unload and load my dishwasher and give everything a good wipe down. I hope this video is relaxing, motivating, and gets you in the mood to get your house in order before bedtime. I hope you enjoy.
Some say that you're a fraud. Go get them. Start a debate, prove them wrong. Go get them. No one has to know but you and me. Hey, I can point you in the right direction. Then it's up to you. I can show you the right direction. It's not a mission for two. People have brains and hearts. Go move them. Go get them. If you can't win, pretend. For as long as the dogs don't bark at your end. Be smooth, turn up the charm. White lies do no harm. I can point you in the right direction. Then it's up to you. I can show you the right direction. It's not a mission for two. Doesn't matter what they think about us. Don't care what they're gonna say. You are you and they can touch you. Do what you do, they can stop you. Go get them. I can point you in the right direction. Then it's up to you. I can show you the right direction.
After I load the dishwasher and start it, I move on to my hand wash only dishes, and I always have a couple, and I just like to get those out of the way so I wake up to an empty sink the next morning.
Do what you do, they can't stop you. Keep it up one more minute. Keep it up, you're so great. Standing, talking, you got me checkmate. No one's watching or nothing. I have cleared out the room, also that you can get to be the big spoon. Ooh, cut on me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Ooh, ooh. Cut through every little inch of my skin. Baby, I will let you in. Ooh. Cuddle me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Every little inch of my skin, baby, I will let you in. Cuddle me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Every little inch of my skin, baby, I will let you in.
I was knocked down, heard the countdown through the haze, in the face of defeat, yeah. I was ruled out with no bailout, on my own, all alone, left to bleed out. But I rose up from the ground, just like I was spellbound. All the odds were against me, so I picked up the pace, and now I'm in the race. Give me some space. I'm a movement and I ain't losing. Gonna go, 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 like a bullet.
Moving on to my favorite part, and that is steam mopping. This is my new steam mop. I've had it a couple days and I absolutely love this one. It is the Bissell Power Fresh Deluxe and it is amazing. I highly recommend it if you're looking for a new steam mop.
So I've been told that I should fold and give in. I can't win in this game, no. But you can hear me laughing. I'm the new thing in this field. You should kneel instead of me now. Yeah, I rose up from the dead. Your words inside my head. All the odds were against me, but now I'll lead ahead with grace. I'm winning this
That's
race.
it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I love going to bed and waking up the next morning to a nice clean kitchen. I want to say thank you to all my awesome subscribers. I absolutely love communicating with you guys and hearing what you think in the comments. If you haven't, please subscribe to my channel. I would love to be friends with you too. I hope you have a wonderful evening and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
I ain't asking for permission, no.